But one thing is for sure. If you enter here, you'll never get out.
What the hell is that? Am I insane, Hayden?
What? Uh-oh.
Is that real? Is that a real person? What? Oh no. Oh my god.
We just gotta wait a few more seconds until it hits 12. And then we have to wait till 6 a.m.
I have a candle.
Don't touch this. I figured out light is what attracts him. So don't touch it.
Okay.
Also this?
I wish I could place this candle down, but it doesn't have a...
This goes to signal. So...
What is it?
This should be able to track him.
Oh, I had that. Hey, that's mine! What the hell?
Sorry, man. Finders keepers.
Shut up. There's a beep boop. Another beep boop. Another beep boop. I think that's just most of them are humans, but some of them aren't, if you feel me. If you know what I mean.
The safe house is empty, but we can't risk going there.
Yeah. This place seems safer, correct? Because it's like it's high up.
I don't see it.
I don't think it's anywhere. What the hell? Wait.
Someone's attacking it down there.
Crap. Oh, there's someone coming. Oh, it's a guy. Why the hell did he jump off? It's kind of his fault. 7 minutes.
7 minutes until 6 a.m.
Oh, what is this guy doing?
Yes, sir.
What is he doing? He died. He's dead.
Well, that's his problem.
Oh.
What's that?
6 minutes.
Do you see anything?
No.
Turn this off. It's got something. It's got something.
How long? Oh god! Hayden, run! Move! Oh my god! Oh! I think I'm dying. Probably. I don't know.
Damn break. Lost all my stuff. This is the electrical thing.
Oh, a car. That's cool, but why the hell would a car be here? Oh, what the hell?
Power just ran out. Where is
Crap, I think there was a power map on the... There was a power thing on the map I had.
What is this?
Now I don't have my map!
This is the shop. It's locked. It's like the shopowner knows what's going on out here. He doesn't want any part of this. I should have my radio. Alex probably doesn't have a set either. Just get ready to run.
Gotta go. I guess I'm gonna try and find that safe house I was talking about. since there's a radio there apparently. And then I don't know if Hayden has his radio. Let's go! I found it. I found it. Hayden, you there? Over. Hayden, do you have your radio? Over. Hayden, do you have your radio? Oh crap, it's a power outage. Oh god, I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Of course I did. I guess I gotta go and find power generator.
Yeah, it's kind of locked, if you can see by yourself. Aren't you the school bully or something? Shouldn't you be very consistent with these things? No? Okay.
Crap, where's that power generator? We need power. Yes. God, I'm going in circles.
What was that? Hello? Shopon, are you in there?
Oh! Oh, I hate bear traps. Oh my
Hello?
god.
Must just be the wind.
What the hell?
Must have just been the wind, maybe. It's gotta get 6 AM soon, right?
Even know where I am. Is that a plane?
Up here! Crap. Idiot.
Did I just hear a plane? What the hell? Is someone coming? Oh, whatever. Literally, like... Hayden!
Hmm? Yo!
Yo!
How you doing?
Not good.
I'm just waiting until 6 AM so I can get my stuff back.
Look at my leg.
Pretty damaged, man.
Yeah, a bear trap. Yeah, so we can't use our radios. I'm just waiting
So
for...
that was the noise from over there? You getting caught in the bear trap?
Maybe. Why is this guy not letting you? Why is this guy not doing it?
He knows what's up there. The thing.
Let us in! Goddamn annoying!
He doesn't want any part of this. Okay, just leave him alone.
Then why is he here?
Because that thing's out there.
Okay. Do you have a watch?
No. He took my
Do you have a
stuff,
radio?
remember?
What?
He took my stuff.
Oh, right. Do you have a radio?
Nothing, man.
Oh, I have a radio.
One time I tried to get away from his dragging and he kicked me in the face.
What?
He's nearby.
I found that you have that.
Turn off your lights. That attracts him.
Doesn't this guy have lights though? Hayden.
Buddy.
Let us in, I swear to God, let us in, please, please.
I'm gonna open that shop.
Please let us in. Wait a minute. I want to see if I can get in. And no, I cannot. Okay.
I got my stuff.
I'm trying to get
Well,
stuff.
What I
Stuff
need.
in there. I got my map.
Anything else?
Where are we going? Where do we go? Oh, power plant. Follow me. Oh, never mind.
I'm getting.
Hayden?
I'm getting a
Hayden?
walkie-talkie if you can hear me.
Hayden?
Yeah.
Never
I'm
mind.
gonna go get a radio.
Okay. What the hell? Is this a goddamn sewer? Why is there just bricks? What the hell's in there? How the hell do I get in? What the? Okay. Whatever. I don't think this is like... I think this is It from the movie It. I think it might be real at this point, honestly.
Alex, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Over.
Please report to the safe house immediately.
Okay. Over.
Jesus.
Where the hell is the safe house at, dude? Oh, did I find it? No, that's the shop. So I have to go this way.
How is it
Radio
nearly 11 already? God, time is wrong here. We have little amount of daytime, but then we also have a big amount of nighttime. That doesn't make sense.
Hey, then your radio's still on.
Oh, sorry.
Over.
Over and out.
Okay, so that's a burning bus. So I have to just go this way, and this should be the safe house. Hopefully, if my map doesn't fail me.
Come on, Alex.
This is the radio. This is the tower. Wait, so hey, what the hell?
Alex, wherever you are, please stay there. Nighttime is about to arrive. Stay there now.
Okay, I'm at the observation tower. Over.
Over and out.
Oh god, Hayden and me are split up once again.